Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install some AliExpress diamond cut mats, and we're going to see if they're any good at all. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So these have just arrived. I got them today. It took about 2 to 3 weeks to receive them. So I'm now going to open these up and see what they're like inside. This is for the boot mat, so hopefully this will fit. It also comes with 2 sticky pads as well to stop it coming up in the corners, I'm guessing. Feels quite good actually. It's not very thick, but that feels quite good. Obviously from the packaging, it's got these marks in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably try and heat these up and see if all these will come out. Well, now let's look at the next package. Oh wow, these are super impressive. It's got all the way around the edges of the carpet. This is a lot better than I expected actually. Again, we've got a little bit of marking where it's been in transport, but it's not as bad as the boot one. Like again, I'll get a bit of heat on it, try and get that out, but look at the rear as well. Look how much carpet it covers. That is super impressive for the price I paid. So that is really cool. So let's go and fit these into the car. So as you can see, these are my original floor mats, a proper Peugeot ones, but as you can see over the years, it's worn a hole through it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these first. Really easy, they've just got poppers at the back. Once I've removed these, I'll now fit the new one. So as you can see, these original Peugeot, and it's got daylight going straight through it. So these are going in the bin. So the first one I'm going to fit is the boot one. So let's see if this fits. I couldn't be bothered ironing it. I'm going to do this at a later date. But let's see if this fits. Oh wow. It does fit. Look at that. That looks super cool. What an improvement. So I've just realized these are going to impede the new mat. So what I need to do is remove these completely. Just give them a really good pull. And there you go. Well, I got them all out. It's probably not the proper way to do it, but I'm not really fussed about keeping these. Looks like it's got a thread, so maybe if you keep turning them left, they'll come out. I mean, I did for ages and they wouldn't come out, so maybe mine are just broken. But anyway, I've got them out. There are some holes there, but it doesn't matter because they're going to get covered by these beautiful mats. So I've decided to do the back ones first. Mine never came with any in at all, so I'm now going to put the rear seat covers in. I think it's just a case of literally throw them in and mold them to where you want them. And here are the back ones all fitted in. Fits perfectly around the seat belt in the back. Goes right under the seat there. Comes under the actual chair and right round to the back. And that looks so cool. So much more neater. Right, onto the front. The passenger side now. Move my pliers. We're gonna get this pushed in to see what this looks like. Oh my god, this is starting to look really cool. What I've done here is I've started pushing it back under there, and I'm not sure you're supposed to do this, but I've lifted this, it just pulls up. I'm going to see if this makes it look a fresher fit. So I'll have a go at this. Oh my god, look at that. That looks so good. And yeah, it does help. If you tuck it into the edges, just under the plastic trim, it gives that better effect. But look how cool that is. Yes, it's not real leather, but it seems really good quality stuff. Right, onto the driver's side. So if you're wondering which way around it is, this flappy bit goes down the side of the seat here. So you put the thicker bit to the top. And there you have it. Look at that. Now it was a little bit tricky on the driver's side, because I had to pull this trim out, and to get that in there's this little spiky bit hanging there. Don't know why that is, but it is holding it in place. It does cover your metal footrest, but I don't have a problem with that because I think it looks better. This doesn't fit as good as I thought it might, as does this, but maybe it needs a bit of fettling, I don't know. But overall, for the money I paid for this full set, let's just go around. For the boot, yes, I've got to iron that yet. The passenger side, which looks amazing, and obviously the back as well. It has transformed how this car looks. I know you see all these Facebook advertisements saying, you know, treat your car to this, mat and the other, but they're like 165 to 200 quid. I think it was going to be like £200 for the boot as well, all in. It was like 90 for the boot, and then I think it was like 165, so pardon my maths. But yeah, I got all this off AliExpress for, wait for it, delivered. And I went for this kind of beige because obviously it's the closest match could get to my roof arches, but look how cool that looks. I'm so impressed with it. It's just transformed the interior of the car from your standard RCZ to this wonderful check plate style. Now let's have a look at my feet, because I've heard a lot of people complaining about the expensive mats where the feet rest wasn't right. Yeah, I think we'll be fine there. So I don't even have any problem with the footrest. It's perfect. So yeah, super impressed.
A great success.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.